Now, also trending today, New York's highest court has overturned Harvey Weinstein's 2020 rape conviction, reversing a landmark ruling of the Me Too movement era. This comes after it was determined the trial judge improperly allowed women to testify about allegations against the ex-movie mogul that weren't part of the case. But the 72-year-old is still not a free man. He will remain imprisoned because of a rape conviction in Los Angeles in 2022, where he was sentenced to 16 years in prison. Manisa Danabalan has that story.
The New York Court of Appeals has overturned Harvey Weinstein's sex crimes convictions and ordered a new trial.
It made me sick to my stomach. I'm a sexual abuse survivor myself, so the idea that this man, this monster, is getting another shot.
Harvey Weinstein had connections to some of the top people in industry and government, and I'm not surprised that they snuck him out the back door.
The disgraced Hollywood producer has been in a New York prison since his conviction for criminal sex acts, including forcibly performing oral sex on a TV and film production assistant in 2006 and rape in the third degree for an attack on an aspiring actress in 2013. Weinstein maintains his innocence and contends any sexual activity was consensual. Today, the State Court of Appeals overturned the sentence in a 4-3 decision, finding that the trial judge made a critical mistake by letting women who weren't part of that case testify that Weinstein assaulted them. The court's majority called it an abuse of judicial discretion.
If New York chooses to retry him, he likely will be held in New York jail in order to allow for that retrial. If either A, New York chooses not to retry him, or B, they retry him and he's acquitted, then he still has a very significant sentence in California.
Today's ruling has reopened a painful chapter in America's reckoning with sexual misconduct by powerful figures, an era that began in 2017 and helped launch the Me Too movement.
We are devastated for the survivors who are connected to this case. And I think that we felt, and a lot of us felt, that we were on a road to seeing a different America. And this moment makes it feel like we were wrong.
The Manhattan District Attorney's Office has indicated it plans to retry Weinstein, which means his accusers could be forced to retell their stories on the witness stand. Dozens of women came forward to accuse Weinstein in the past, including famous actresses such as Ashley Judd and Uma Thurman.
Up to his room, where Harvey, wearing his hotel robe, immediately began asking if he could give me a massage, and this progressed into him insisting that I watch him take a shower and other acts of sexual harassment and aggression. I was lucky I got out of that hotel room.
Weinstein's lawyer called the ruling a tremendous victory, while the attorney who represented 8 of his accusers called it a major step back. The reversal of Weinstein's conviction is the second major Me Too movement setback in the last 2 years. The U.S. Supreme Court refused to hear an appeal of a Pennsylvania court decision to throw out Bill Cosby's sexual assault conviction.